Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Hello beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today I have a video for you guys featuring Banish. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you click that post notification so you are notified when I upload. And if you love what I do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and share me with the world. So Banish reached out to me and wanted to know if I was interested in trying a few of their items. If you guys know, I have struggled with acne for some time, and every now and then I get the occasional breakouts on my cheeks, and they can leave behind some scarring. So Banish is a skincare system for acne scars. They have a whole kit system that comes with microneedling and also face masks, face serums, all that fun stuff. I started using Banish on June 15th. Today is now the 20th of July, so I've been using it for some time. So for the next couple of clips, I'm going to show you guys how I use their products, all that came inside of the kit that I received, and at the end I'm going to have my final thoughts on the whole process and the whole system. Now, I will leave all links down below so you guys can go and check them out, as well as I did lose the first clip of this video, so I will just probably insert pictures because I don't know where that clip went. But I'm starting off with my second use of the Banish in the next clip, but I will put that all into the video here so you guys kind of catch up, and then in the end, of course, I will tell you guys my full thoughts on this kit. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so since I lost the footage, these are some pictures of my skin when I first began using Banish, June the 15th. This is my second use of Banish on July the 3rd. So you want to make sure that you have clean skin, so cleanse your skin with whatever cleanser that you use. And then you want to start with the Pore Smasher by placing it in the freezer for a little bit before you use it so that it is cold. Now, the whole reason why you want to use the Pore Smasher before microneedling is because it just gives the skin a little bit of a numbing effect so that when you use the microneedle, you barely feel it. Now let's get into the microneedling, or as they call it, the Banisher. So you want to make sure that you place your Banisher pin or the roller inside of alcohol before use for a couple of minutes. You want to make sure you do this. It is very important that you are sanitizing these items and all your items, even down to the Pore Smasher, because this comes in contact, or it makes little holes in the skin, so you want to make sure you're not getting any infections or anything of that sort. So how you use the Banisher is that you want to make sure you are rolling in one direction, and you pick up the Banisher before changing directions. You don't want to drag this across the skin because it can scratch the skin. Now, this can be done once every 2 weeks, and you only want to use these up to 3 to 4 times. Then you want to discard them, and then you want to get a new one. The benefits of microneedling: helps to reduce the appearance of acne scars, fine lines, hyperpigmentation, and it is not to be used over acne. So you guys will see that I have active acne on one of my cheeks. So instead of me using the roller, I'm going to use the pen. And that's one of the things that I liked, because the pen gives you an option of spot treating, I will call it, and you're able to work around acne and not have to roll over acne breakouts. Next, we're going to use the Banish Oil, and this is to be used after the Banisher, as well as a part of your daily routine for night and morning, of course, after cleansing the face. And also too, you can apply your moisturizer on top of this. Also, their products are all natural, so that's another thumbs up all the way for this product line. Yes, all natural, just how I like it. So about once a week I do a mask. So we're going to start off with the activated charcoal clay mask, and this mask absorbs oils and draws out impurities from the skin. This can be used before you do the Banisher, and it's just great for oily skin. Next, I'm going to use the pumpkin enzyme mask, and this is a great way to exfoliate the skin. This leaves your skin feeling really, really smooth afterwards, and you can also use this along with the charcoal mask, so that's good that you can kind of double up with these masks. I like how the applicator applied the charcoal. It made it a little splotchy, but that's okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to apply this using my fingers so I can get an even coverage. And you really just need a little bit, not a lot. But yeah, you can definitely feel the tingle with this. This is definitely doing something for the face. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let this sit on my face for a little bit, and then I'm going to rinse it off and I'm going to come back. So stay tuned. So this is my skin after the mask. My skin felt amazing, amazing. Then we're going to go on with the vitamin C Elixir, another product that I'm really, really loving from this line. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spritz my face with that. The vitamin C Elixir helps to lightly hydrate skin and to even out skin tone. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some more of the Banish Oil. Okay, so I have lots to say about this system and this kit. First of all, when I first started the microneedling process, I thought it was going to hurt, and you guys, it didn't hurt at all. It was a little bit of a prickliness when you do start. It was kind of weird, but it didn't hurt at all. After I did my first microneedling experience, the skin was a little bit, of course, not a little bit irritated because you are puncturing surface holes into the skin, and it was a little bit irritated. But when I put the serum on top, it caused a little bit of a tingling sensation, and that was it. Like, my skin didn't have any flare-ups, or it wasn't anything bad or anything like that. I currently at this moment have on no makeup or anything, so you guys can actually see my skin in its entirety from using this system over a period of time. Now, I only used the microneedling 2 times, and I also used the pen once, as you guys see in the video, because I was having a breakout on one side of my face. Microneedling overall is something that I didn't know about too much before I started using this, and so far I would say I would continue to use it. Now, I'm not saying that I have seen results from microneedling itself. I will actually love to use this. I will want to use this a couple of more times before I actually go into saying if I really see a big difference or whatnot. Also too, it does say on their site and on their products that, you know, results may vary from person to person. So microneedling may, you know, eventually show a little bit of some better results for me, but all in all, I mean, my skin looks good. Okay, next, let's talk about the products. Let's get into these products. You guys know I'm a product junkie. I love products. If they work, if they're all natural, your girl is all hands up. Okay, products here, I am in love. Okay, so I love the elixir, the serum, and the pumpkin enzyme mask. I have been using every day the elixir and the serum, and then I put my own moisturizer, like my Shea Moisture moisturizer, on top of it. And my skin is so moisturized. I already have oily skin, but it just gives my skin this unbelievable glow. Next, let's get into the pumpkin enzyme mask. Now, I never tried the pumpkin mask before. Okay, and just the way that you put it onto the skin and it causes the skin to tingle a little bit, it's just, it works. And I have used the pumpkin mask about 2 to 3 times already, and I grabbed for that one more than the charcoal mask because if you guys know here on my channel, I have a lot of experience with charcoal mask. I actually have another one, so I wanted to kind of more experience the enzyme mask because I never tried it before, so I use that a little bit more than I use the charcoal mask. But charcoal mask, hands down, is great. But if I had to pick from their products that I would rebuy, I would rebuy the serum, the elixir, as well as the pumpkin enzyme mask. Those 3 right there are bomb.com. Okay, so I like the product. There's no big rant here or anything. I love the product. You guys know that I'm a very direct girl. When I like something, I like something. When I love it, I love it. And these products work for me hands down. I'm gonna come close so you guys can see my skin. My skin
looks amazing. Like there's nothing. I still have a little bit of scarring going on, of course, but we're working on that. But all in all, my skin just has a natural glow. And like I said, I have on the elixir, I have on the serum, and then I have my own moisturizer on top. And so yeah, I give Banish a thumbs up all the way. I think they are definitely worth your money, definitely worth the time. And I would say if you're somebody who is suffering from acne, definitely go ahead and give this system a try. I will leave all links down below for you guys to go and try that out. And with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.